Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Ding-a-ling-ding-a-ling-ding-a-ling-a-ling. Yo, I said ding-a-ling-a-ling. Somebody pick up the phone. Hello? Somebody out there? This phone is ringing. If I say ding-a-ling-a-ling, somebody wants to reach you, you know. You're not curious who this is, you know. I want to know who this is. Even I want to know, and I don't even know anybody. I don't even have a handy. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. This phone is ringing right now, in this very moment. What part of ding-a-ling-a-ling don't you understand, you punk? Ah, I know what you're doing. You're showing this to everybody, right? You're showing off with this. Your friends sitting around this phone right now and you listening to it and you laugh. You laugh about my voice because it sounds silly. But you know how it is, you know, the whole life with this voice. I don't want to have this voice. I'd rather have Robert De Niro's voice, but I have this fucking voice, you know. I said fucking. I hate myself if I say fucking. Pick up the fucking phone! Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, ding-a-ding-ding-ding-ding.